Hi friends, welcome to Srisai IT Hub. In this video of Core Java Programming, we are going to discuss the following topic: thread priorities in Java multi-threading. So let us start with a small revision. What is multi-threading? So multi means many, two or more. Threading means small logics or codings used in a program. And this small logics or codings are mainly done using methods, because method is a block of code which is used to perform specific task in our program. So coming to the definition of multi-threading: executing two or more small logics or codings parallelly in a same program along with main method is called as multi-threading. Means program execution starts with main method and line by line execution takes place till the end of the main method. But if we want to execute other methods along with main method parallelly, then we have to go for multi-threading. So the advantage of multi-threading is we can perform multiple tasks parallelly in the same program. So using this multiple logics, we can perform multiple tasks parallelly in a same program. So this is the advantage of multi-threading. So now coming to thread priorities in multi-threading. So coming to thread priorities in multi-threading. So in thread class of java.lang package, we have two methods using which we can give priorities to the threads. So first of all, coming to priorities. So priorities means giving more chance for threads for execution. So whenever multiple threads are running parallelly, we are going to give more chance for threads for execution. So for execution means that is executing run method, because run method is responsible for multi-threading concept. So when multiple threads are executing parallelly, we are going to give priorities to those threads to execute more time, to execute run method more time. So for this we have two methods. So for this we use two methods of thread class. The first method is setPriority of int, and second one is getPriority. So setting the priority and getting the priority. So here int is level, and this level can be 0 to 1 to 10, not 0 to 1 to 10. So 1 is min priority, 10 is max priority, and we can also get the priority. So get priority, it gives priority level of particular thread. So for a particular thread, it will give priority levels. So we can verify these two methods using java p -p java.lang.thread. So let us open the command prompt, go to your working directory, and then give the command java p -p java.lang.thread. Right. So in this we should have thread priorities methods, set priority and get priority. So the methods goes like this in thread class. So just scroll down. Yes, so these are the two methods. getPriority, it will return int level. So 1 to 10, what is the level of the priority of a particular thread? And then setPriority. So setPriority of int. So int is the level here. It can be 1 to 10. So 1 is the lowest priority and then 10 is the highest priorities. So we can also set the thread priorities using three properties of thread class. So these are the three properties of thread class: min priority, norm priority, and max priority. Using these three properties, we can also set the thread priorities. Min priority is 1, norm priority is 5, and max priority is here, it is 10. Right. So let us try to understand these three data members or properties of thread class. So thread priorities using data members of thread class. So these are the three priorities, and these three variables are public static final variables. Min priority is 1, norm priority is 5, and then max priority is 10. So how to set this? So the example goes like this. For example, t1 dot set priority of, we can take something like 2, or we can also take t2 dot set priority of thread class dot max priority. So max priority is 10. So since this is a public static final variable, we can access directly with class name thread dot max priority, which will be 10. Right, so let us try to demonstrate this with a small program. Thread priorities example 1. So take a new page. First we'll write the commands. Program to demo thread priorities in multi-threading. So main class thread priorities example 1 with main method. So let us save this program in our working directory. Right. So save it as thread priorities example 1 dot java. Right. So first of all, we'll create our own thread. Step 1, class, something like sample thread extends from thread class, and then redefine the run method. Public void run. Now inside the run method, we are going to print the name of the thread. So we'll print it for 10 times for int I is equals to 1, I less than or equals to 10, I plus plus. So system dot out dot println will print get name of the thread which is currently executing the run method. So this will be printed 10 times. Next, let us go to main class with main method. So here we are going to create an object of our thread class. So our thread class is sample thread. So sample thread t1 is equals to new sample thread. Similarly, we'll create another object sample thread t2 is equals to new sample thread. So t1 dot set priority. So let us say the priority of t1 is 1. Next, we'll take t2 dot set priority. We'll take the priority as thread class dot max priority, max underscore priority variable, which will be 10. And after that, we'll try to start both the threads. So T1 dot start and T2 dot start. So T1 has got minimum priority and T2 has got maximum 10 priority. So T2 should be executed more times when compared to T1. Right. So let us convert this definite for loop into indefinite infinite loop. So for this, we'll remove this for loop and we'll take while true. So while true indicates infinite loop, always true. So it is a infinite loop. So infinite times it will print the name of the thread which is currently executing the run method. Right. So after setting the priority, we'll also set the names. T1 dot set name something like hello thread, and then T2 dot set name something like welcome thread. So before welcome thread, we'll take 3 tab spaces. So hello thread will be printed on the left side infinite times, and welcome thread will be printed on the right side infinite times, because this is a infinite loop while true. True indicates infinite loop. So save this, open the command prompt, go to your working directory, compile the program, thread priorities example1.java. No error, run it. Now it will be executing infinite times. So initially hello thread, welcome thread, hello thread, welcome thread, but after 5 to 6 seconds, JVM understands that there are only 2 threads, hello thread, welcome thread. Hello thread priority is 1 and welcome thread priority is 10. So if we see here, we are getting more opportunity for welcome thread. So welcome thread is getting executed more number of times. So less chances given for hello thread and then more chances given for welcome thread. So to come out of this infinite loop, we have to press Control C. Okay, we have to press Control C. So Control C, it will come out of the infinite loop. Right. So now let us change the priority for T2 and T1. So here we'll make a small change. T2 dot set priority 1, minimum priority, and T1 dot set priority thread dot max priority. Now hello thread should be given more chance for execution when compared to welcome thread. So save the program, right, recompile, thread priorities example1 and run it. So initially we'll get hello thread, welcome thread for 5 to 6 seconds. After that, JVM understands that there are only 2 threads, T1 hello thread, T2 welcome thread. So T1 hello thread has got highest priority and T2 has got lowest priority, which is welcome thread. So if we see here, more chances given for hello thread only, and in between chance is also given for welcome thread because it is also part of the multi-threading execution process. Now if you see here, we are getting more chance for hello thread only. Right. So we can use Control C to exit the infinite loop. Right. So this is how we are supposed to work with thread priorities. So the node point goes like this. So Control plus C is used to come out of infinite loop. So whichever thread has got highest priority, it will be given more chance for execution, and that is a reason why to demonstrate this thread priorities we have used infinite loop, because if it is printing only for 10 to 20 times, we can't see the thread priorities. Using infinite loop, we can judge T1 hello thread, T2 welcome thread, which thread is getting more chance for execution. So that is what is all about thread priorities in Java multi-threading program using setPriority method and getPriority method. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.